Hello gas family, gas system installation completed. We've got our metal cage on the outside here, which is mounted to the wall for the safety of your cylinders. So what we have on the inside, we have two cylinders that are connected in series with our manifold that's here, the valve for the cylinder here, the valve for the other cylinder. So for you to start operating, we'll open one valve for one cylinder, the cylinder that we'll be using. So we'll start by opening the valve. Then we'll open the valve, allowing the gas to go in. So these are connected in series. So as of now, we're using this cylinder. When this cylinder runs out, all we'll do, we'll close the valve there, close that other one, open that, and start using the next one. Okay, let's go to the inside. Let's see what we have on the inside. Coming to the inside, we have our internal safety valve that's in the cabinet. So in this position, this is open. If you push it down, this is closed. So we want to operate the stove. So put it to the open position. Once it's open, then you come to your hob that's here. So we've got this Defy 5 burner ceramic hob. So as of now, power has not yet been connected because this uses electricity for it to ignite. So we'll manually ignite the stove. So our gentleman here is going to show you how to manually ignite it. So you light the flame first. The key thing, always ensure you light your flame first before you turn the valve for the gas. Because why you don't want to do that, you don't want gas to accumulate. And by the time it is accumulated, you put a flame, you might have a bubble flame. So flame on. Once your flame is on, you push in the knob, you turn to the left, and your burner goes on. We can try the other one. Flame is on, push in the burner, and it's on. So now we have our 5 burner is fully on. All the 5 burners are on. Blue is a specific flame that you require. When you have the blue flame, your gas is burning purely. There's no smoke, no soot that's produced onto your stove. So once you're done cooking, you always just have to ensure that you push in your knobs, turn them off, off. Once everything is off on the stove, always ensure that you have your internal safety valve closed. The reason why we're having this closed, we don't want in an event that maybe you're cleaning or someone who doesn't know how to use the stove, they're pushing the knobs, you don't want to have your gas lost. So we're done. Everything is done and dusted. Thank you.